Meaning of inkjet printer.
Inkjet printer.
Inkjet printer.
Inkjet printer.
Inkjet printer. An inkjet printer is a type of printer that creates images or text by spraying tiny droplets of ink onto paper. These printers are commonly used for personal and small office purposes due to their affordability and versatility. Inkjet printers can produce high-quality color prints, and some models have the ability to print photos with exceptional clarity. Though they tend to be slower than other types of printers, such as laser printers, inkjet printing technology has continued to advance, resulting in higher print speeds and improved image quality.